welcome to Murdering Jerry. Because we want to. Last time I ended off with the video not doing much. I just wanted to continue with this because I just didn't want to leave Jerry out here. I actually wanted to save, because we haven't been able to save. I really just want to kill Jerry. I don't care if my Wi-Fi sucks. Oh, you know what, Jerry? My Wi-Fi might suck, but you know what sucks more? Your life! So, what are you even doing? What am I doing, Jerry? Well, what am I doing, Jerry? I'm killing you! I think I went in the wrong direction somewhere. Yes, you heard that correctly. Warning. Dog rush. There's a switch hidden in the snow. Click. Kill me. I knew that was used for something. Just used for something? Nope. Whoa, what the heck? What's that smell? Where's that smell? If you're a smell, identify yourself. Here's that weird smell. I want to eliminate you. Ah, what are they? Doggy assault you. Obviously, so obviously we see here that they're a loving couple because they're kissing and that they like metapods because that right there, that's a freaking metapod. Which one do I want to kill? I want to kill him. Take my wife. Take my wife's fleas. Don't actually. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Blue stop signs don't work. Let's kick human tail. Humans don't have tails. Oh my gosh, it's a long. Dogs keep shifting their axis to protect each other. You're gonna die, okay? I'll chop you in half. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ow. Oh, that hurts. Oh boy. bug twister is what? Any items? This one. Whoa. No! No! Cannot give up just yet. Mark, stay determined. Oh, what? Oh, okay, that doesn't really affect me very much. Okay. Dang it. Lesser dog. That is the cutest enemy in Undertale so far. No! I feel so bad when I kill that thing. Swish is freaking stuck now. You can't fix it. You're not a fix-it, Felix. What's that smell? Where's that smell? What happens if I go for the girl first? That's cute. Dang it. Oh! She's dead. Fine. What? Oh, I feel horrible. Fine. Oh, I feel so bad. Oh. No! This game makes me want to kill myself. I'm such a horrible person. Turn every X into an O, then press the switch. Seems simple enough. Now we gotta turn the triangle into an O though. What? No! Oh, that just restarts it. Good. What? How did you avoid my trap? And more importantly, is there any left for me? Really? Wowie! No one's ever enjoyed my cooking before. Well then, fret not human. I, Master Chef Papyrus, will make you all the pasta you could ever want. So are we like cool now, bro? Are we like cool now? My brother started a sock collection recently. How saddening. Sometimes I wonder what he would do without such a cool guy taking care of him. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Good. How do I say this? You are were taking a long time to arrive, so I decided to improve this puzzle by arranging the snow to look more like my face. Unfortunately, the snow froze to the ground. Now the solution is different, and as usual, my lazy brother is nowhere around. I suppose what I'm saying is, worry not, human. I, the Great Papyrus, will solve this conundrum. Then we can both proceed. Meanwhile, feel free to puzzle yourself. I will not give away the answer. Here. So I'm gonna go this way. Oh, Nikes. Okay. Yeah! I messed up big time. Thomas the Train. Ooh, I just want to kill myself. But I think the solution would be, at this moment, Chris knew he was going to kill himself. So that one's out of the way. I think I can deal with that one. That one shouldn't bother either. But, about the others. I'm just gonna do this, I guess, because that would work. Oh my gosh. Something tells me we're screwed up. Cha-cha-cha. Well. Ooh, Illuminati confirmed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Man, triggered. Boy, he triggered. I messed up again. I understand. Everybody